Kia ora koutou. In this session, I'm going to go through how to use your ASR sound recorder. So you'll be using this to audio record the sessions that you have with your clients. So we'll open up the ASR app by clicking on the icon in the center of the screen here. And this is the home screen. It's very easy to use this application. To make a recording, you can just press the big red button in the middle of the screen and it will automatically start recording. You can tell that it's recording because the timer at the top is increasing, and you also have this line that shows you how well the microphone is picking up the sounds around it. To stop recording at any time, you can press the big red button again. If you wish to pause it, instead of tapping the button, you can hold it down with your finger until it turns green. I pause recording and you can see from the top that no sound is going into the device and the timer is stopped. If I tap the green button, it turns back to red to show us that we are recording again. To stop recording, I just tap the red button once and it stops. One of the things we'd like you to do when you first start up using this is to reduce the quality of the sound recordings. The reason for this is because the REDCap system has a limit to the file size that you can upload onto it. And to ensure that the file size stays below the limit for about a 50-minute or 1-hour interview, we'd like you to reduce some of the sound recording settings. So, at the right of the screen here, we can see that there's a gear icon. And I'd like you to press the gear icon to open up the settings and then tap on recording settings. There are 4 settings we'd like you to change. The first one is the sample rate, which currently says 44.1 kilohertz or CD quality. We're going to reduce that down to FM quality 32 kilohertz. Below that is the bit rate, which we'll reduce down to 64 kilobits per second. I'd like you to turn off recording in stereo because the microphone only picks up mono anyway. And those 3 things will make sure that the sound recordings are small enough to load up onto REDCap. If your interview does take longer than an hour, one thing that can be done is to stop and start the recording to make 2 separate files. We can do this automatically using the file splitting option here. So I'm going to, under automation, touch file splitting and then set this to 50 minutes. About 50-55 minutes will be fine. Okay. This means that after 50 minutes, the recording will automatically stop and start again to make 2 files, and you may upload both of them onto the REDCap system. And that is it. It's very simple to use, as I said, but please let us know if you have any problems.